Okay, so I'm going to start the lesson, okay? Uh, okay, this lesson is about the natural disaster. So for the next 1 or 2 months, we will talk about natural disaster. And natural disaster or natural hazards are extreme, okay? Natural events extreme natural events，即係一啲好極端嘅自然嘅現象啦，that can cause loss of life, extreme damage to property, and disrupt human activities. These 3 points are very important. 呢3點好緊要嘅，有人即係有人命嘅傷亡啦，OK，loss of life。extreme damage to property 有呢個物業啊產業嘅損失啦，同埋and disrupt human activities 會打擾人類嘅生活。These 3 things happen, then it can be called a natural disaster. If there's no loss of life and if there's no damage to property, it is not a natural disaster. Remember. 好啦，下一個。Now there's different examples of natural disaster. Which one is earthquake? Which one is earthquake? Which one is earthquake? Now, earthquake is this one, earthquake. And then tsunami, 海嘯. Okay, tsunami is this. And then hurricane means typhoon, 颱風. This one is hurricane. And then volcanic eruption, 火山爆發. This one, volcanic eruption, 火山爆發. Okay? 下一個。Okay, so let's look at an example. Now, if these natural events occur in places without any people, then these natural events are not natural disasters. If there are casualties 即係 loss of life， 即係有人傷亡啦 ，it is a disaster。好啦，咁即係話，如果啲自然災害喺一啲冇人嘅地方咧，就唔係一個自然災害啦。嗱，let's look at an example. An earthquake happened in a remote area. Nobody is hurt. 嗱，地震發生喺一個冇人嘅地方，所以咧冇人受傷。Is it a natural disaster? 呢個係唔係一個自然嘅災害啊 ？No, because nobody is hurt. And second, an earthquake happened in a big city. 200 people lost their lives. Wow, 200 people were killed. So this is a natural disaster. Next. Now this is the graph for natural disasters. Now, as you can see, the arrows, the black arrows, 啲黑色箭嘴咧 are symbols of typhoon or hurricanes. 嗱，呢啲黑色箭嘴咧就係啲颱風吹襲嘅地方。Okay. And then you see the red triangles here, red triangles. 係嘛？紅色嗰啲點點啦，紅色嘅三角形啦。嗱，these red rectangles represent volcanoes across the world. That means if you see the red triangles， 如果你見到啲紅色嘅三角形咧 ，that means there may be volcanic eruption. And then you see the orange belt. So what is this? Now this is the belt where earthquake always happen. 嗱，呢個就係啲地帶咧，嗰啲地震咧成日出現嘅。This orange belt is the boundary of plates, earth plates. 嗱，呢啲其實咧 係地球板塊嘅邊界。咁地球板塊嘅邊界 if plates collide with each other, earthquake will happen。咁當呢啲板塊撞埋一齊咧，就會產生地震啦。好啦 ，so let's see，what kind of natural disasters will happen in South China? Where is South China? Now there is South China. Now South China, you can see, flooding, earthquake, and what natural disaster always happen in South China. You see the arrows， 係咪話你見到啲箭嘴喎？咁即係話係啲咩啊？颱風啊！嗱，颱風我哋可以叫 typhoon or tropical cyclone。嗱，講我多次 tropical cyclone。So and then Japan. Wow, Japan, you see many red triangles. So volcanic eruption. And then you see sometimes the arrows may blow up to here, so tropical cyclone. But the most destructive natural disaster is, okay, you see the orange belt lies over Japan. So earthquake, good. Okay, and then you see Central America. Okay, Central America here. Earthquake, tropical cyclone, and then you see the red triangles. So this is Jada, what is the answer? 如果你見到啲紅色三角形係啲咩啊
？Volcanic
係啦 ，volcanic eruption， 火山爆發啦。咦，火山爆發？咦，係啦，出現係啦 ，volcanic eruption。好，咁下一張 slide 啦。Which area has many earthquakes? 嗱 ，the area around the Pacific Ocean， 環太平洋咧就最多地震嘅。And then that's why Japan, California, and Chile are always struck by earthquakes。嗱，點解日本啊、美國嘅西岸，尤其加州啊，同埋南美嘅智利成日都有地震，因為佢哋喺板塊嘅邊緣 ，they are at the boundaries of Earth plates. Another place which is always struck by earthquake is Southern Europe. Southern Europe， 南歐都係意大利北部成日都有地震嘅 ，OK？ Because there is a mountain range called Alps， 阿爾卑斯山都係一個板塊嚟嘅，所以都有地震㗎。好，下一個。好 ，so what natural disaster does Japan have? Volcanic eruption, earthquake, hurricane. The earthquake always happen in Japan, so that's why the houses in Japan are made of wood and paper. In case a house collapses, the casualties will be reduced. 嗱，點解日本啲屋咧用木同紙做咧？就因為一旦冧咗咧，都唔會死得人多咯。好啦 ，volcanic eruption. I want to ask you， 富士山 is Mountain Fuji a site for volcanic eruption？ 你覺得富士山會唔會成日都係會火山爆發㗎？你哋覺得 ？Do you think volcanic eruption always happen in Mount Fuji？ 阿 Jada， 你覺得咧？阿 Sherman， 你覺得咧？富士山會成日有地震嘅，有火山爆發嘅富士 ？No。嗱 ，why 啦 ？Because 富士山 Fuji Mountain is a dead volcano， 一個死火山嚟嘅，要活火山先會。If this volcano is active, volcanic eruption may happen. But Fuji Mountain is a dead volcano, so no volcanic eruption will happen. Okay? 好啦 ，so Southern China, flooding, tropical cyclone. Now, so these two are related to each other. Tropical cyclone or typhoon brings a large amount of rainfall. 通常颱風會帶嚟大量嘅雨水 So flooding will happen in southern China. Okay. Next， 誒，好啦，咁我哋去到下一張 slide 啦，OK？ 咦，仲有冇第二啲學生？得3個啦。Okay, so next, open. Let me open another slide. So, 好。Okay, but this is another slide. Okay. Okay, so let's look at here. This is the news anchor, the weather report man. He said, as Super Typhoon Yo-Yo continues to move closer to the coast of Guangdong, the weather of Hong Kong will deteriorate very quickly. There will be strong winds and heavy showers. 嗱，呢個颱風叫 Yo-Yo 啦，嚟緊香港啦，係咪？ Move closer to Hong Kong, Guangdong. So the weather will deteriorate. 嗱 ，deteriorate 變壞，咁會有咩 strong winds？ 哇！大風同埋 heavy showers 啊 ，showers 唔係解出嚟啊 ，heavy showers means heavy rain. Heavy showers means heavy rain. So here, in which season is Hong Kong frequently hit by typhoons? 香港幾時會成日俾颱風襲擊㗎？阿 Jada。阿 Paul, John Paul, in which season is Hong Kong frequently hit by typhoons? Charmaine, in which season is Hong Kong frequently hit by typhoons?
Summer.
Summer, yeah, summer. Yeah, it's summer. Okay. Yeah, next. In what direction is Yo-Yo moving? Is northwest or northeast? Nah, it is north, okay, but not northeast. Northeast is this direction. This is the direction of northwest, okay, northwest. Next, how will the weather conditions change when it moves closer to Hong Kong? So what will happen? First of all, rainfall. Rainfall. Okay, heavy rain, and then strong wind, increase in wind speed. Okay, so two conditions will happen: heavy rain and increase in wind speed. Next, so what damage will be caused by typhoon? First of all, we look at transport. 運輸 typhoons bring heavy rain that may cause flooding 水浸啦，有雨就有水浸啦 and landslides 即係嗰個山泥傾瀉 landslides. Strong blow away trees 吹冧啲樹啦 strong wind may blow away trees that block the roads 阻路啦 and 導致 and cause traffic congestion 交通擠塞啦 OK 好咁下一個啦 infrastructure 嗱 infrastructure 即係指基礎建設 strong winds may blow down 嗱呢個係啲咩咧？呢個睇下先嗱 power cables 電線啦 and may cause suspension of power supplies 停電 OK the wall of buildings may be damaged by the glass walls building 你見到啲玻璃窗爛咗啦，玻璃幕牆啦 glass walls of buildings may be damaged by strong winds 強風會吹 散晒啲玻璃啦，係啦。好，咁啊，OK。咁你覺得香港嘅電力會唔會成日因為Do you think the power supply in Hong Kong is always suspended by typhoon? Do you think? Do you think the power supply is always suspended by typhoon in Hong Kong? 上面你覺得係咪啊？嗱，咁咧其實就唔係嘅，因為咧有most power lines, most power cables in Hong Kong are lay below the ground, so that's why it will not be damaged by typhoon. 香港啲電線鋪喺地下，所以咧就唔會受颱風影響嘅。好啦，下一個。好啦 ，damage caused by typhoon economic activities 經濟活動啦。嗱 ，economic activities many farmlands are 水浸啦 ，are flooded and business activities 例如啲商鋪啊就要 close 啦 ，may be disrupted. Okay, next. So why do typhoon cause less destruction in Hong Kong in recent years? Now, first of all, the technology in typhoon forecast, the technology in typhoon forecast 預測颱風嘅呢個預測颱風嘅科技 has been improved. Why? Because we have satellites to see the movement of typhoon. 我哋有衛星可以睇到啲雲圖啊，啲颱風嘅路徑啦。And then the typhoons hitting Hong Kong were less powerful. Do you think this is true? Okay, let's look at item 3. Frequent update of typhoon information. 香港啲颱風信息成日都有更新嘅。And then the public is more aware of typhoon preparation. 咁香港社會大眾咧都留意翻颱風嘅一個準備，咁你覺得邊樣係真咧？首先，我哋嘅has the technology in typhoon forecast been improved? Yes, it's true. Okay, it has been improved. We use supercomputers and satellites to monitor the movement of typhoons. Okay, this is true. And how about because of the advances in typhoon technology, we can provide the Hong Kong Observatory can provide frequent updates of typhoon information. 嗱，由於科技有進步，所以我哋天文台可以提供頻密嘅颱風消息嘅報告，係啦，呢個係真嘅。同埋 the public is more aware of typhoon preparation. They may stick some papers or use the wood to board the windows so as to reduce the damage to their windows. OK， 佢哋會可能將啲木擺喺嗰個窗度，減少颱風對一啲窗嘅損害，所以呢個係真嘅。OK， but however, the typhoons hitting Hong Kong were not less powerful. Okay, they may become even stronger because of global warming. 係啦，下一個。Where can you get updated information of typhoons? Okay, first of all, of course, the Hong Kong Observatory website 嗱，天文台香港叫 Hong Kong Observatory， 咁當然係啦，天文台一定係啦。How about TV weather reports？ 電台嘅天氣報告，咁當然係啦。OK， 呢個收音機都係嘅。好啦，咁呢個嗱，我想問嗱 ，newspaper， online newspaper。Why can online newspaper update information? Because in the digital world, it is easier to publish new information. But for traditional newspaper, you need to print it out, and it's time consuming. So it is impossible to provide updated information of typhoons。嗱，你傳統報紙咧要印出嚟，所以唔可以咁 update 啦。online 其實可能就咁隔半個鐘 post 一 post 咁就可以 update 到，所以可以係 updated information 嘅 online newspaper。And then TV reports, of course, it can. Okay, here. Next day, the officer of HKO reported the latest movement of typhoon. So, Yo-Yo turned to a northward direction last night. It will land in Shanwei this morning and weaken rapidly. 嗱，佢話個颱風咧就會喺汕尾登陸啦，而且咧會好快咁減弱。咁點解 ？Why does the typhoon weaken after it has landed in Shanwei? Why? When the typhoon moves inland, it weakens rapidly because of the loss of 嗱，颱風咧要有水先會強嘅，一登陸咗咧冇水咧就會變弱嘅。So due to the loss of moisture supply， 記住啦 ，moisture supply 水氣嘅供應 ，moisture supply。Next， 嗱，I want this is the highlight。嗱 ，this is very important。The difference between weather and climate。天氣同氣候嘅分別，記住啦，呢個要記嘅呢個定義，記住一定要記。First of all, weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place over a short period of time。嗱，記住天氣係一個短時間嘅 a short period of time。But climate is the average weather conditions 平均嘅天氣狀況。Long period 記住係長時間。Usually over 30 years， 30年內30年長時間嘅 weather conditions 先係叫 climate， 記住啦。So if you can't remember the definition, just remember weather is short, climate is long. Okay, remember. Next. So there are different weather elements to describe weather conditions. Okay, some major elements of weather are temperature。嗱，記住啦，我哋要話描述嘅氣候，我哋用唔同嘅因素嘅。第一個溫度 ，and then precipitation。example rainfall。嗱，呢個降水除咗落雨之外，可以落雪、落冰雹。You know, you can snow and hailstone are examples of precipitation. And then the third example is air pressure. Okay, air pressure 氣壓 ，and then wind。嗰個風啦 ，OK next。So weather elements, okay, temperature, okay, so temperature is about the hotness and coldness of air， 熱同凍啦。咁咧通常嗱呢個就溫度計啦，你見到溫度計啦。咁you see the red side means above zero, the blue side is below zero 零下啦。OK, so here。So degree of measurement 量度嘅單位係 degree Celsius。Follow me, degree Celsius 攝氏 is used in Hong Kong, China and Europe, but in the US they use Fahrenheit 華氏。記住啦，美國唔係用攝氏，美國用華氏嘅。So you may see F and then the dot in the news report of the US. Okay, next. So precipitation, rainfall, example. So any form of water from the sky。總之水用咩方式降落嚟就係一個 precipitation， 例如 rain 落雨啦 ，snow here and hail 冰雹。好，下一個。嗱 weather elements 做咗呢個就做 air pressure。We have air pressure. What is air pressure?The weight of air on the ground， 空氣嘅重量 ，the weight of air on the ground。嗱 ，look at the left hand side. This is a device, okay, to measure air pressure. To measure the air pressure. So this is the barometer. Barometer is a device or a machine to measure the air pressure。And the unit of measurement is hectopascal， 佢嘅量度單位係 HPA， 記住啦。好，下一個。And then relative humidity 相對濕度。What is relative humidity? Is the amount of water vapor 水蒸氣喺嗰個空氣嘅數量 water vapor。And then the unit of measurement 能夠單位係 percentage。例如我哋聽到 the relative humidity is 80 or 90%. Usually, the relative humidity is high in spring. Okay, in spring. Because it's a change of weather. The weather is becoming warmer, and then sometimes when the cold air meets the hot air, the cold air will will condense into water vapor, and this will increase the amount of water vapor in the air。好啦，咁即係話，當常有啲冷空氣啊、熱空氣相會嗰陣時咧，啲冷空氣就會凝結成水，就會增加呢個水蒸氣嘅含量啦。好，下一個。And then is the cloud amount 雲量啦。The ratio of the cloud of the sky covered by cloud， 即係話天空有幾多個部分係被雲覆蓋嘅嗱，呢啲就係啦。And then the unit of measurement is percentage， 又係用百分比去量度雲嘅覆蓋量咯。好，下一個嗱，咁我哋嚟緊咧，我哋預測嗱，我講翻聽日我會做啲咩啦？聽日咧 ，tomorrow I will talk about how to read the weather chart. Okay, so you will see different symbols on the weather chart. For example， 嗱，you see 呢度。嗱，呢度嗰啲數字 you see the black line, okay, with a number. This is the ISO bar 氣壓線。咁如果見到992，即係話呢個氣壓就992啦。And then you see the arrows like this, okay? This is the arrow for wind. 嗱，嗰個箭嘴 where the direction it points means the wind direction. And then this, okay, this spike, okay, is the speed of the wind. 一個長 one long means 5 kilometers, one short means 2.5 kilometers. Oh, and then you see different symbols. For example, you see the triangle, the inverted triangle, 倒轉三角形，即係代表有啲雨水啦。And tomorrow I will explain, okay, how to read the weather chart. And that's all for today's lesson. Okay, do you have any questions? 大家有冇問題啊？大家有冇問題？嗱，如果冇問題咧，咁今堂就完結咯喎。OK，咁我哋完結今堂啦。OK，咁好，咁就好完結咗啦。OK，咁就 OK，that's all for today's lesson。OK，好，拜拜。